Hello everyone, this is Madhusudan. Welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel MS Commerce Classes. In the last lecture, we discussed about the meaning of the management and the characteristics of a management. Before going to the new topic of that management, we just revise the last class of management. What do we mean by management? The management means to manage something or to manage someone. Management word can be break in three parts: manage, man and T. That means managing a man in tactfully. The word management means it is the art of getting the work done by other. Some of the author give some definition that according to F.W. Taylor, management is the art of knowing exactly what you want your men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. That means management means to manage something or do a work by other person. This is the meaning of management. Do a particular work by the other person in a particular way, in the best cheapest way, so that the organization can achieve his goal. This is said by Abdul Taylor. Management is the art of knowing exactly what you want your men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best, cheapest way. And in the last lecture, we discussed some of the characteristics of management. Again, we revise these characteristics that management is a group of activities, management is a multidisciplinary, management is a goal-oriented process, that management is a dynamic process, management is a continuous process, management is a factor of production, management performs at all level. These all are discussed in the last lecture. In today's lecture, we discuss some of the importance of management. These are the importance of management. The first point is achievement or achieving the organization goal. Achieving the organization goal. That means एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का गोल है और ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि वो अच्छा प्रॉफिट अर्न करना है और उनको ग्रो करना है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ग्रो करना है. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मेन एम क्या है ना, उनको प्रॉफिट अर्न करना है एंड ग्रो करना है. ये जो ऑब्जेक्टिव और गोल of the organization can be fulfilled by the management. Can be fulfilled by the management. If there is not management work properly, then the organization cannot be achieve its goal. So it is the importance of management that achieving organization goal. The main aim of the organization, the main aim of the management is achieving the organization's goal. The next importance is optimum utilization of resources. Optimum utilization of resources. In an organization, for producing a product, there must be need of 4M or 4 factor production. These are the resources like man, material, machinery, money. These 4 resources is need for produce or to manufacture something. But management is necessary for producing the final product, because without management nothing is possible. A large number of resources are used by every organization. Such resources are man, material, machinery, money. Such resources cannot be utilized without another factor productions. This is management. This is management. Suppose, taking an example, हमारा एक मोबाइल का इंडस्ट्री है और मोबाइल का इंडस्ट्री है, वहाँ से हम मोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं. हमारे पास मटेरियल भी है, पैसा भी है, मैन है, मशीनरी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट का कमी है. तो क्या हम मोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट नहीं है ना. जब वहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट है तो हमने ये प्रोडक्ट को एक अच्छा से वे में बना सकते हैं, तो उसको हम बेच सकते हैं. लेकिन हमारे पास मैनेजमेंट नहीं है तो हम अच्छा प्रोडक्ट नहीं बना पाएंगे. सो वी कॉल्ड द नेक्स्ट importance of management is optimum utilization of resources. Due to these resources, the production is not possible. This is management. The next is benefit for the society. The benefit for society means management is not only help to the organization but also it helps to the society. Because if management give his best way, give his performance best way to the organization, then the organization can produce the good product for the society. The society can directly or indirectly get satisfied. Management is beneficial both for the business or the organization and the society. In our society, there are living some different types of a person. They also benefited by the management. The management can help in producing the good quality of goods at a lower cost, so that the business can offer the better quality of goods at lower cost. This is highly essential for maintaining the ecological balance. So the people in the society are also benefited. So we called society is benefit through management. The next importance is increasing the efficiency. Increasing the efficiency. In organization there are work different types of person, and the goal of the organization is to earning profit or to achieve profit, high margin profit, but the workers are not same minded for achieving the common goal, the management try to motivate to the employee or to the worker. How to motivate? This is the main task of the management. The management can give some reward, some bonus to the worker so that the worker can be motivated for earning the profit and to achieving the goal of the organization. This will be helpful by the management. That means increasing the efficiency is be possible by the management. The next importance is minimization of a cost. Minimization of cost, that means the management always try to achieve the profit of the organization or achieve the goal of the organization. The goal of the organization is to increasing the efficiency or increasing the profit. This is the another goal of the organization of the increasing the profit. The next one is increasing profit. We summarize both point minimization of cost and increasing the profit in a single term. The management try to increasing the profit. How to increasing the profit? How to increasing the profit? The profit of the business can be increased by the sales volume or reducing the cost or the minimization of a cost. एक बिजनेस का प्रॉफिट कैसे अर्न होगा, इंक्रीज कैसे होगा ना, जब हम कॉस्ट को मिनिमाइज करेगा एंड सेल्स को इंक्रीज करेंगे. Increase in the sales is not an easy task. So it is depend upon of the external environment. These external environments are supplier, customers. They always try to purchase good quality of goods. Good quality of goods. But if the organization sells good quality of goods at a higher rate, then the outsider cannot be purchase our product. So he tries to minimize the cost. Minimize the cost is possible through the proper analysis of the management. The management will be try to sell the product highly and minimize the cost. The sales is depend upon the external environment, which is outside the control of the business. So, in order to earn maximum profit, it is necessary to reduce the cost. At the present time, the business environment is very much competitive. In such environment, business struggle to survive. A business can be survive only when it can be produced good quality of goods at a lower cost. जब बिजनेस एक अच्छा सा प्रोडक्ट को लोअर रेट में बेचेंगे तभी उनका सेल्स ज़्यादा होगा, प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा होगा. मैंने इसलिए बोला था कि लास्ट 2 पॉइंट को कंबाइन करके समझेंगे. मिनिमाइजेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड इंक्रीजिंग द प्रॉफिट. A business can survive only when it can be produce the good quality of goods at a lower cost. In such a situation, the management has a great role to play. The management make necessary plan and policy for the organization. These are the another importance of the management. I hope you understand the those 2 points. And the next point is innovation. इनोवेशन इनोवेशन का मीनिंग क्या है? इनोवेशन मीन्स टू डू समथिंग न्यू or to do something new or to do the old things in something new way. The innovation is possible by creative thinking. This thinking is possible only by the management, only by the good management. Thinking is the main functions of the management. In every organization, there are two types of people. One is they will be think without doing, and another types of people are they will be do with thinking. One side was without thinking they do the work, and another side was they think before do the work. Innovation idea is necessary for the management because this is competition market. The innovations is necessary for all the management. Increasing in efficiency will be possible due to the innovative method and technique. Increasing efficiency is possible due to the innovative method and technique. These are the some basic importance of the management. In today's lecture, we understand the meaning of the management and some of the importance of management. Achieving the organization goal is the main importance of the management. Then the optimum utilization of resources, minimization of cost, increasing profit, innovations. These are the some basic importance of management. I hope you understand all of the point. If any doubt, then please comment. If anyone want to taking online coaching for plus 2 first year and second year commerce, then contact my number for next video. Then subscribe my channel. Thank you.